In 2020, as the Indian government called for a nationwide lockdown to combat the pandemic, it witnessed a surge in domestic violence cases. A complete lockdown meant that accessing support became difficult, leaving women trapped at the mercy of their abusers. Despite these hurdles, women advocates in India were able to provide relief and support to survivors without even stepping outside their homes, through a network of WhatsApp groups. As India makes rapid strides digitally, a huge demographic still remains largely disconnected. For many women in the country, networking is restricted to their locality at best, limiting them from raising voice against issues universal to women.
महिलाओं का जो नेटवर्किंग हम लोग देखते हैं तो नेटवर्किंग करना बहुत कठिन होता है.
सर्वात मोठा प्रॉब्लेम असतो की महिला लवकर पुढे येत नाही. जोपर्यंत महिला तुम्ही काही बोलणारच नाही की तुमचे प्रॉब्लेम काय, तर हे जगाला कसं काय समजणार.
Among the many hurdles that inhibit women from coming forward are her assigned roles and responsibilities at home, leaving little or no time after work hours, the need to take permission and the fear of being harassed for stepping outside her boundaries, the lack of women-friendly spaces and social stigma which robs them of their right to gather and organize. Even at work, women are left out of core decision-making, making it difficult for them to address their issues and raise support.
व्हाट्सएप पे उसका बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट हमको हो गया. इन वुमेन्स में एक नेटवर्किंग करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा माध्यम हमको बना.
संपर्कात असल्यामुळे प्रत्येक डेपोला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे काय नाही किंवा कोणाला काय अडीअडचणी आहे त्या अडीअडचणी आम्ही व्हॉट्सअपद्वारे आम्हाला कळतात.
Women advocates, or Nirbhayas as they are known in India, have created a primary WhatsApp group called Pramukh Nirbhaya, consisting of about 250 core members from the 36 districts of Maharashtra. Fortnightly discussions are conducted in the group on major issues and decisions are made, which are then passed on to secondary groups from each district, consisting of women from respective depots. In this way, information is spread all across the state, reaching more than 5,000 women within minutes.
पहले तो फोन पे बात करने का, हर एक को फोन करके बोलने का कि तुम तुमच्या विभागात हे काम करो. डिस्कशन नहीं होता था, सीधा ऑर्डर जाते थे हमारे पास से कि हमको ये करने का, लेकिन उनका क्या ओपिनियन है वो मेरे तक नहीं आता था. जो भी काम करने का है उस सबके निर्णय से आना चाहिए, उसका सब में सहभाग होना चाहिए सबका, इस पैटर्न से.
निर्भया परिक्रमा ही आमच्यासाठी सर्वात प्रोत्साहनदायी गोष्ट होती आणि तिच्यामुळे आम्ही खूप काही साध्य करू शकलो.
In December 2019, a group of Nirbhayas set out on a road trip to conduct workshops and surveys on domestic violence in the state. Over 2 months, Nirbhayas scaled all 36 districts of Maharashtra, a region roughly 2 times the size of England. A program of this scale had to be planned meticulously, on locations to visit, mobilizing women, preparing them and the venues for workshops, all of which was done on WhatsApp well before the kickoff date.
ये परिक्रमा को हमने खुद के पैसे लगा के, खुद के रजा डाल के, खुद के घर को बच्चों को दूर रख के हमने परिक्रमा की है 2 महीना.
Nirbhayas surveyed and interacted with over 6,000 women, along with alliance groups like the police, healthcare officials, and NGOs. This further increased their digital reach, which proved invaluable when the nationwide lockdown led to a rise in domestic violence.
मुझे तो लगता है कि हम पहले प्रिपेयर हो चुके थे कोविड का सामना करने के लिए. हमको तो ये पता नहीं था कि कोविड आने वाला है. हमने तो सोचा भी नहीं था कि इतनी बड़ी आपत्ति आ जाएंगी.
Soon, a system was put in place. Helplines were shared widely across groups, and a lot of women had a network of allies to seek help from. This network, along with assistance from alliance groups, immensely sped up relief efforts for a lot of survivors.
सृष्टीच्या इतिहासात हे पहिल्यांदा झालं की फक्त महिलांनी कोणत्याही पुरुषाच्या आधाराविना त्यांच्या सपोर्ट विना निर्भया परिक्रमा आम्ही काढली.
What the Nirbhayas have achieved through the years are among the many stepping stones towards winning an equal space at work and within the unions. As connectivity becomes essential for many women to organize and mobilize, social media plays an invaluable role in their toolkit.
मुझे लगता है कि मेरी लड़कियां ट्विटर पर ट्वीट करें, इनका फेसबुक पेज हो, कि यूट्यूब चैनल शुरू करें. ये हमारा मकसद है कि हम इन महिलाओं के लिए कुछ डिजिटल ट्रेनिंग करें. यूनियन में भी वो बहुत आसानी से पार्टिसिपेट हो जाएंगे क्योंकि इनको सही तरीके से इन्फॉर्मेशन इनके पास पहुंच जाएंगे. मुझे लगता है कि टेक्निकली जो नए आविष्कार आ रहे हैं ये इन महिलाओं तक पहुंचना चाहिए और ये सीख जाएंगी तो आगे बढ़ेंगी, जरूर आगे बढ़ेंगी.